Hey guys, today I'm going to make some Spam chicken rice. I have some chicken flavored rice and some Spam and some frozen mixed vegetables here. So I already cut the Spam up into cubes there. And first thing I'm going to do is brown that up. So I'm just adding a little bit of oil to the pan. This is avocado oil, but you can use whatever kind you want. And we'll get this Spam browned up. My Spam is looking pretty good, so I'm going to get this out of there and just set that aside. Now I'm going to add just a little bit more oil to the pan. It says use butter, but I'm just going to use a little bit of this olive oil. And we'll get that rice in there and brown that up just a little bit. The rice is brown, so I turn the heat down to low. I'm going to add 2.5 cups of water. And I already mixed in the seasoning packet that comes with the rice into that water. And this is about 1.5 cups of frozen mixed vegetables. So we'll get those in there. Kind of mix this up a little bit. And now I'm just going to cover this with this plate and just let that simmer until the rice absorbs all the water. Let's see how this is looking here. Looks pretty good. Stir it up a little bit. I'm not going to add the Spam until this is all done because I don't want it to get all soggy after I got it all nice and crispy. This looks good. Now I'll get the Spam back in there and we'll try it out. This looks pretty good. Let's see how it tastes. You know, that's actually pretty good. I was a little bit worried it might be a little too salty with the Spam and that chicken rice, but that's the light Spam, so it's a little lighter on the salt and the fat, so it's fine. It's actually pretty good. I'd make that again. I'd never made it before, just one of my throw together things, but turned out pretty good. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll talk to you next time.